It's actually what happened when you don't make proper holes. You just busted it up. Okay. So yeah, I've got here is a disposable cup. Look what happened. You can normally use this once or twice if you're lucky, but normally it's disposable one. Once you use it, just throw it away. Okay. So what do I have here now? Is I got this online, so I just arrived yesterday. I'm gonna open it and right. I got this cup. Okay. Okay. So this is actually a brand new one. So as you can see, there's no holes down there. And that's what we're gonna do now. So to make proper holes, you need to have mannequin. Mannequin actually that you don't use. So if you get mannequin at home or anywhere, just buy one if you don't have one. And put it down there like that. Right there. Okay. Okay, this is what I'm gonna use to make proper holes. Alright. And you also need to have marking pins. Okay. Some holes from here all the way around. Okay. And from the top as well, all the way back. Alright. This is the nose, right in the middle. Put some mark down there. Okay. That's one. So you're gonna have to count one space between each other. Okay. One space, two. Alright. Instead of one space, mark. Okay. Space, mark. Alright. Space, mark. Okay. Space and mark. Space, mark. Alright. Space and mark. Okay. Now on this side as well, you're gonna have to count one space. Alright? That's your mark. Then you're gonna have to count 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we'll put 2 space from this side. Alright. 1, that's your mark. Space, space, mark. Space, space, and mark. Okay? Once you've done marking the head, like that. Alright. Once you've done all that, you need to warm this up. And I just plug it in. And then haircut for well, you mustn't do doing this, okay? Look, this is actually what you need in order to get the hair out. For example, like this. Don't do it like this way. Alright? Don't make a hole or holes by simply using this one. Because otherwise it's gonna work and it's good, but I wouldn't recommend it. Because otherwise you're gonna bust it up like this. Like that. One of my colleagues did this. Actually, I told him to stop doing it, but he doesn't want to listen, and that's what happened. Alright? Like I told you, don't do it like this. Alright? So that's it actually. I hope you like the tutorials, and I hope this will help you as well. And you should be ready to go, and you can use it straight away. Okay? Cheers guys.